first made her appearance in the Gadigal Sydney sky at last year's inaugural Elevate Sydney. Corraway the cockatoo returns to our skies, gliding effortlessly high above Sydney Harbour, sharing her energy and excitement for our summer season. We are also introduced to Benny the seal. Benny, named after Bennelong Point, also known as Juggle Gully, is a much-loved visitor to the Opera House each winter, where he takes up residence and sunbathes on the steps of the Sydney Opera House. Benny takes us on a journey underwater, where we discover the ancient past of this age-old waterway that nourished the Gadigal people and all the clans of the harbour. We come into the present with a newly refreshed and clean harbour, brimming with life, and what remains is the natural wonder of our city.
World. When she sings over us, we feel her presence, lifting us up and protecting us. As our waterways are now clean, marine life returns. Waterway nourishes us. Marine life is flourishing.